Hello, friends from YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to replace this intercom that is really old. It has three cables, but this one is not even working. So I have this new one. It's called a Pacific intercom, and I think it's a pretty decent for like 27 bucks on Amazon. Everything you do is in your own risk. I am not responsible for any damage that you cause to your device or to yourself. These are videos for education purpose only. Thank you. Okay, so to do this project, you need this knife. Be careful, don't cut yourself. And this is a screwdriver. I have different options here. Okay, first we're gonna cut around, just to cut the paint that sometimes is dry over there. So you just go around and cut it. Okay, after that use your screwdriver. Okay, we're gonna use a flat one right here. Okay, right there, because it has only one screw. Okay, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I don't want to make my video super long. Okay, as you see now it's coming out. Okay. And don't worry, there is no power, electricity in the cables. Okay. Okay, today I'm just gonna show you to connect it. And I'm gonna show you that it's working. But later I'm gonna fix this because what I noticed is that this one is to it's not the same measure from here to here, as you see. This is this one is supposed to come with a plate, so we can install the plate here, but it's not coming with the plate. So I'm gonna connect the wires so you know how to do it, and then I'm gonna put only one screw, and later on I'm gonna buy the plate and fix this hole because I don't want it to look really ugly. Okay, so as you see right here, the cables we have a red, black, and this one is too old that I can even see. I think it's white. So right here is supposed to be where you see C1 is supposed to be the black, and the B is the red, and right here C is gonna be the white. Okay, so let me show you. So let's connect first the black. Okay, this is the black. We're gonna connect the red now. That's the red, and the white right here, which is the C. You see? Do you hear? Now that means it's working. Okay. So I connect the cables, the white, the black, and the red. And let me show you, okay? See? That's to listen, and this is to talk. Okay? So as you see, it's working. So I'm gonna put only one screw here. You can even put it in the top or right here. Okay, make sure the cables go inside. This screw is too short, so I need to buy a different one. And I have to, like I said, I need to fix this wall, so I need to go and buy a plate and fix this hole, you know, make it looks nice, not like that. Okay, so as you see, that's the way you replace it. So thank you for watching, and I hope my video helped you. And please check my other videos. Have a great day.